John here for the Bistro Bar Minute. Today we're going to talk about assembling the Bistro Bar with a full-size keg. So you got your bottom by itself, all the components are taken off. You put 2 to 3 inches of ice in, right? And you take your keg, you put it inside, right? Then you want to wrap it with more ice on the side of it. Again, 2 20-pound bags of ice should be enough, so it's about 40 pounds. You take the little tub, you put it in place, then you want to lock it from the back. Okay, now it's locked. Now you want to tap your keg. You get my CO2 kit here. CO2 connected to the coupler on the side. Then you want to tap it inside. Once you have that tapped, you take your beer line and then you lock it on top, which is where the beer comes out. Then you want to feed the line through your tabletop for the hole. And then just connect it into place. And then you want to twist lock your tower onto the Bistro Bar. That's how you assemble it. Thanks for watching the Bistro Bar Minute.